This is the famous spot where a train drives through the town. And this village is home to over 100 wildcats.
Oh my god, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Join us as we explore these unique, one-of-a-kind mountain villages here in Taiwan. They were inspired by Japan's Cat Island. There's more cats that live in this town than there are human beings.
21, 22, 23.
So they decided to build this crazy coal mine, and they were producing at one time over 2,220 tons of coal.
So this is like a whole market-like area. Everyone just like lets off the lantern and steal all these tracks. Good morning, y'all. We're out here in Hutong Cat Village. Yeah, you heard me right. It's called the Cat Village here. Apparently what happened is they were inspired by Japan's Cat Islands, which are really famous. There's more cats that live in this town than there are human beings, which is kind of wild. There's one already. Yo, cat counter. Right here, 1. We're out here in the mountains where it looks really kind of just serene, you know? It's like a certain peacefulness out here in the mountains you only get, except not for my hair though. My hair is not getting peacefulness at all. It's getting blown in every direction. And I'm just gonna,
cat, bro, on the left.
I give up. Oh, there's another one? Alright, number 2.
He's a chubby one.
Hopefully I'll be able to keep track myself, but
If not, what they look like, bro.
yeah, we gotta, oh shit, you're right. Oh, there's another one. Oh my god, here they all come. There's number 3 right there. Oh my god, number 2 just jumped right into the building. Aww. And this is number 3. Cat number 3. What do cats like when you go meow or something like that? Go yup.
There's another one, 4.
Number 4. Yeah, just straight up chilling in the middle of the road.
Another one.
Oh my god, wait, this guy was hiding.
Wow.
Oh, this one looks cool. Look at his eyes. This is number 5. Dude, this guy looks like he's like almost sleeping. Oh, I think that's number 6.
Okay, so this is the history of the town. I think we saw signs for like a coal mine, so I think this place used to be a coal mine of sorts. But I mean, look at this model. This looks sick. Where's that bridge?
Somewhere here, though.
Cat number 7 right there.
All right, what's 7?
Aww.
So we're here. I think. Oh, we parked there.
We parked
and I think
there.
now we're around here, but back there's the bridge.
Damn, this is very small, dude.
Buying a coffee and small cat number 8. Yo, okay, I don't know. Oh my god, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't know. I've definitely recounted one of these cats though. Still that one out there. I think we're still at 9. I'm only counting one of these 6 cats that we just seen because I think we already seen most. Oh, there's okay. That's 10. That's 10. That black one right there. That's 10.
This guy's just a little football.
He's just chilling here. He is.
Come on.
Wait, this is number 13, I think.
Hey, buddy. I wish I had some food for you.
Yeah.
So
Hit us.
in Taiwan, back in the day, the Japanese took over Taiwan and they owned it. So they decided to build this crazy coal mine, and they were producing at one time over 2,220 tons of coal. And eventually, when the coal started to run out, and they didn't need this place no more, but they would have kept going. But it wasn't until the world realized that in 1990 that we don't need coal that much anymore.
Yeah.
We're gonna make other ways to get our stuff and do this. We don't need coal. So when they shut down because they weren't making as much money, they shut this whole place down as well because you don't need this place no more. And it was only built. This whole place is only built with these houses because they needed all the workers to stay here. And at one point back in the day, around the 1940s, there was over 6,000 people here at one time.
Damn.
So when they all shut down, they left this place up for good in 2008. They realized there's so many freaking cats here, and why? So these tourist people came here and started taking pictures, and they named it the Cat Village out of inspiration from Japan and from Cat Island, hence why that happens. And that's how everyone here is now coming here, and hence why social media is so crazy with TikTok and everything. Something blows up, everyone comes here. That is why this place
Call this
is
the
what
Cat
it-
Village. Everybody
Yeah.
comes swarming.
That is why it is what it is today.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. Number 14 right there.
Aww.
Oh, let's go. Oh, so cute. I wish I had some food for you right now, buddy.
This looks better than the Japanese Island one.
Oh, really? Because you've been,
way
right?
more homey.
Yeah.
More art. Like you don't see stuff like that in Japan where you have like different cat stuff.
Yeah.
Symbols. I like it here a lot.
I mean, I like it just because it's in like the middle of this valley.
Exactly, yeah.
Feels
The island's
so
cool, but this is cooler to me.
Nice. Yeah, yeah. It feels so peaceful
It is.
out here.
Yeah, where's that cat?
Yeah. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, so we're trying to look for the white cat because that cat deserves some food.
Yeah.
Wait, is that the white? No.
Is that right?
Wait. Is that white cat the same? That's not the same white cat.
No, it's not.
Dude, that's another one. I think that's number 16
Yeah,
now.
because I would have remembered him. He's a fatter one.
Yeah.
I mean, this place is like not only a cat village, but like it's so beautiful. I mean, look at this lookout spot over here. Look at the bridge out there. That's awesome. Oh, there's another guy down here. Where's this one? Oh, this one, number 17, I think, or 18. This one looks like Garfield a little bit.
Oh, this one. Oh,
Yeah,
he
he
knows.
likes-
He wants
It's
it.
the best
he wants
food.
It. He knows. All right, don't worry, buddy. We got you. We got you. All right, here you go. Here you go. Wait, how do I squeeze it up a little bit? Aww. Aww. There you go, buddy. Oh, he's so cute. Good boy. Good boy. Okay. This one is very. I want to find a nicer cat. Oh. That cat's very shy. Yeah, I could just like take a nap here, dude. If there was a hammock right here, I could take a fat nap. This is the cat who we just fed. A little ungrateful, but hey, it's alright. I'm kidding. I just really want to pick up a cat. You can tell this whole village is like cat themed. I mean, look at this cute cat pushing a minecart with all these other cute cats in it. That's nice. Oh, this is like the actual train station.
2 trains.
Wow, check this out.
Oh, look at all these cats.
Yeah, look at this. Especially in comparison to, well, the rest of the towns look very old because it's an old coal mining town, right?
Yeah, makes sense, right?
Oh, shit, very old.
Oh.
That's number 20. God, motherfucker was able to pick him up. How did they do it?
Damn.
Oh my god, there's more. There's like 5 cats over there. Okay, ready? 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 behind the guy. Wow. Alright, we're back over on our side and I want a snack real quick. And I like the way these cookies look. This is what we had yesterday in Jufin.
It's more what we had in Jufin. So I like what we had in Jufin more.
Josh has got a blueberry cake. Chinese cake. That's actually really good. I just got an almond pastry. This is a snack, midday snack. Because we got a bit more just touristy traveling to do.
This is a great spot.
This is a great stop. Great stop. Oh, there you go. Hey yo, so we just got here. I don't know if you can see, but there's a bunch of little lanterns in the sky. I feel like they just did something here. We might have just missed it, I don't know. But anyway, this is a really famous spot where the train tracks basically go through the village. So when a train comes, it's like really cool because it's just like right there, which I think is sick. Hopefully we'll get to see the train and everything. We still got another like 2-3 hours of daylight, so it should be good. Let's check it out. So I think this place blew up on TikTok because, wow, there's so many people here.
Look at that.
They're all over the train tracks basically and everything. It's basically like a day-night market of sorts. Oh, this is where they're shooting up the
lanterns. Oh, that's awesome. Yo, they're probably gonna do more. Oh, let's go.
This is great. People taking like pictures along the road. There's so many lanterns out there just going off. It's sick. Alright. Oh, this is cool. So this is like a whole market-like area with like street food and everything, and like everyone just like lets off the lanterns here on these tracks. That's why we see them go up there. Just saying goodbye to the lantern. So apparently every single one has like different like, you know, there's wisdom, happiness, and like a whole bunch of other like traits that I think like, you know, you're kind of like hoping for when you let off one of those lanterns. So that's kind of cool. Not bad. Can't imagine it's great for the environment though.
This place blew up off TikTok. Like,
Dude, yeah.
For real.
But like, here's the thing: it's still all Taiwanese or just Asian people here, though. Like,
Yeah,
there's not
yeah.
that many, you know, TikTok influencer type people here.
Well, they're all these people are TikTok viewers, though.
Probably,
phone- yeah,
probably
it's just-
viewers for
yeah,
sure.
yeah.
Yeah. Wow. Some fried food here. Taiwan loves its fried food.
I mean, we haven't had Taiwan stinky tofu yet.
So this is stinky tofu. You guys can't smell it, but it's pretty stinky. But the taste actually, I've had it before. I'm pretty sure I've had it before.
And you know what? There's a lot of food, but Asian food in general too,
Yeah.
that might stink, but actually is
It
amazing.
actually tastes
Yeah.
amazing. Yeah. Sticky tofu is just one example. So yeah, I mean, I guess we'll just get some of this and try it out. We haven't had it in Taiwan. I mean, we haven't really been to Taiwan.
Well, remember
before,
our
so,
Uber
yeah.
driver said, "Oh, you gotta try it in Taiwan. It tastes better or different."
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
He did say that. He did say that. Josh just got the stinky tofu, and man, it smells.
It does smell.
It smells.
I had like a
baby,
few
but
bites, and I was like, "Oh dang, it really does smell," but it was good.
Does not taste like it smells.
Yeah.
Walk down these train tracks here. They have people that like sound the whistle whenever the train's coming. Oh wow, wait, that's how we... Damn it, I just barely missed that. He lights it and then does like a quick flip with it. Alright, here they go, here they go. The closest we've been. You know, that's actually kind of a big fire that's in there, you know? Like, seriously, how has there not been a forest fire yet? Never had this ever before in my life. It's a chicken leg, but
With, like,
stuffed
chicken
with
around
rice and stuffed with chicken. Like the skin is intact though.
It's amazing.
It's actually really good. The train's coming. I got a good spot. Standing up here. Let's see it go by. Let's go. I can basically touch it. That's cool. Look at that. Going through the rest of the town right there. Look at that. Dude, that's such a cool thing. Wow. And everybody just floods in behind it. I love it. Everyone stops for a little bit once that whistle blows. Honestly, that whistle comes really close between when the train comes.
Yeah.
Like, if you're not paying too much attention,
You're dead.
you're dead.
Damn.
But I'm sure there's enough people around that will just pull you out of the way or some shit.
I hope so.
This is what tourism has come to now. Look at everybody just with their phones out up there. Not even looking at, you know, the thing in real life anymore. But hey, I mean, I can't, I'm one to talk. I'm just here holding the camera, vlogging everything. There's a little slight dystopian sadness, you know, when you watch everybody, like that whole crowd over there. They're all old people too, so they grew up without phones and everything. And then all of them, pretty much every single one of them was on their phones. It's just like not a single one of them looking at them, just like capturing the moment with your eyes, you know? It's tough though, it's tough, it really is. But anyway, that wraps it up. We already saw the train go by 2 or 3 times, got some street food. Man's laying in dude, they just keep going. They really do just keep going. Anyway, that's pretty much it for today. I mean, we did a good amount of exploring, and I mean, our whole trip right now is just completely like shoot from the hip. We'll see where we go. But anyway, we're gonna head to a hotel or motel, figure things out from there. Dude, they just really keep going. I love this. This is really beautiful. All right, I'll see y'all later.
So I have no idea what to expect. Apparently it's called the Happiness Skyline Hotel. Okay. What the?
So it's not a space theme.
Interesting.
It's
It's
one bed.
no, it's two.
Dan, this is
This
not
is-
what Google
this is-
showed me. I'll take it though.
It's fine. It's a regular hotel. That's fine. Yeah,
If you think about it though, it's $32 a night.
that's good.
That's really
good.
not bad.